4,324 divided by 3 using our standard algorithm. So we're going to start by writing out our multiples of 3, and then we'll do our steps. So if you're practicing these and you're looking at the playlist in order and you're getting more confident, pause the video, give it a try, and then you just use the video to check your work. If you're still feeling like you want help, you can also just follow along. Our first step is to divide. So how many 3s can fit into 4? Or how many times can you skip count your 3s before you go over 4? We went over there, so just one time. The next step is to multiply that 1 right back with the 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Now we're going to subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. What's our next step? Now we're going to bring down the 3. All right, I want you to think about what we would do next. We're going to take that 13 and divide it by 3. So how many times can you skip count your 3s before you go over 13? Just to here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Where does that 4 go? Up top. All right, what are we going to do next with that 4? We're going to multiply it. 4 times 3 is 12. What is our next step? Subtract. 13 minus 12 is 1. What are we bringing down? The 2. All right, coming back around, we're going to divide. What are we dividing? 12 divided by 3. So how many times can you skip count your 3s to hit or get close to 12? 4 times. This time it actually hits it exactly. Now we're going to multiply 4 times 3, which is 12. We are subtracting 12 minus 12, which is 0. What do we do next? Bring down the 4. All right, what's our next step? 4 divided by 3. So how many 3s fit into 4? Just 1. Where does the 1 go? Up here. And what do we do next? 1 times 3, which is 3. Last step, subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. Where does that 1 go? Up here. The reason we know we're finished is because this number is too small to divide into 3, and there's nothing left to bring down to help it out. So if you divided up 4,324 into 3 groups, you would have this many in each group, 1,441, but then you'd have 1 left over, and that's our remainder.